Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. To back here once again with a brand new video, and this time we're bringing you the confirmed pricing for the GoPro Hero 11. But not only that, because GoPro is gonna be having a little surprise tomorrow, and that is because they're not only going to be releasing the Hero 11 but also the Hero 11 Mini, and we also have the pricing for the Hero 11 Mini as well as all of the other combos that GoPro is going to be offering alongside the Hero 11. And on top of that, we have a little extra sauce for all of you guys, and that is the confirmed specs of the GoPro Hero 11. This is what you guys have all been dying to know, and we finally have them for all of you. So if you want to know what they are, you have to come to the right place. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and to keep up to date with any upcoming action camera, whether it is the Action 3 and of course the Hero 11, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you watch this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. So as you guys know, tomorrow GoPro will officially be presenting the GoPro Hero 11 as well as the GoPro Hero 11 Mini, which is a little twist that they decided to add, a little surprise for all of us. So GoPro has officially made the announcement that they're going to be coming out with the Hero 11 tomorrow. They have published it on their official Instagram account and of course in their website, so no need to worry about that. And also, in case you guys don't know, DJI is also going to be releasing their own action camera tomorrow. It's going to be called the Osmo Action 3. So this is a direct competition between these two brands, and I'm very excited to see, because remember, whenever there's competition in the market, that is only going to benefit us, the consumers, because we're going to be seeing more and more innovation. So let's go ahead and kick things off talking about the price of this new Hero 11, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the specs. So let's talk pricing. What's this GoPro Hero 11 going to be coming at? Well, we now have the pricing thanks to our good friend Snoopy Tech. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. There it is. It's going to be 549 euros. Something that I was quite expecting to see. Obviously, it's going to be the price for Europe. Maybe it's going to be $4.99 in the US or $5.50 most likely. But yes, we were expecting to see a slight increase in pricing, especially because of inflation and everything has gone up in the past few months. So this was expected. 549 euros, most likely $5.50 here in America. So the pricing, it's definitely up there. Now, how does this stack up to the Action 3? Guys, the Action 3 is going to be coming at 350 US dollars. So 329 US dollars. So there's definitely a big price gap between the two. So we're going to have to wait and see what the GoPro has to offer that the Action 3 does not. So the pricing is definitely a bit up there when compared to the Action 3. Let's talk GoPro Hero 11 Mini. What's that bad boy gonna be coming at? There you have a screen. This is gonna be the GoPro Hero 11. Obviously, we don't have any screens, so obviously it's gonna be cheaper to make. But let's talk pricing. There it is. Once again, coming from our good friend Snoopy Tech, coming at 449 euros, so only 100 euros cheaper as opposed to the GoPro Hero 11 standard. So not a big price difference between the two. Obviously, this camera is gonna be focused more towards FPV pilots, which is definitely gonna be a nice niche they're targeting. So I think it might have a lot of success. And now let's go ahead and talk about the last combo, because yes, we are gonna be having another combo available with this GoPro Hero 11. This will be with the standard one, with the one that has the two LCD displays. There we have it, and the price will be 779 euros. This will be the GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition. Obviously, we do get our tripod, our case, of course, our microphone. So it is nice and complete, but definitely it's going to be coming at a hefty price tag of 779 euros. So most likely it's going to be the exact same pricing in the USA. Best of luck here in the US, is going to be at least 700, but I'm not even thinking that, most likely 779. So that is the pricing for the Hero 11. Definitely quite high. What can I tell you? Let us know in the comment section down below your thoughts on the pricing, and let's finish this video off talking about the specs, because we do have them for all of you. So there it is. This is gonna be the box of the Hero 11 Black. We have the camera right there in the middle. with all of our accessories, and this will be the Hero 11 Black. So we can see that we're going to be having a longer lasting enduro battery. We're going to be having a new large sensor. We don't have the exact size yet. Most likely it's going to be the exact same size as we had on the Hero 10. No 1-inch sensor as far as I'm aware. We're going to be having Hypervision 10-bit color automatic highlight videos. We're going to be having nice photo resolutions as well as 5.3K, and also we're going to be having, this is going to be the next gen image quality according to the specs here on the box. So there it is. There on the right side says versatility level 11. So there it is. That is the GoPro Hero 11, but that's not it, because we have more specs. There we have the full spec sheet of this brand new GoPro Hero 11. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at what that says. So it's gonna be saying the following. This is also coming from our good friend Snoopy Tech. So it says, a slow motion X8 capture the best moments by capturing up to 240 frames per second to give us amazing 8x slow video. We're going to be having Hyper Smooth 5.0, so that's going to be quite nice as well. We're going to be having a long duration battery coming at 1720 mAh batteries. This will be for the GoPro Hero 11 and not for the Hero Mini. We don't have exact timing of how much it would last, but at least 135 to 165 minutes minimum. And then this will also be a rugged, it's going to be rugged, and it's going to be waterproof up to 10 meters without the case. So there we have it. Those are the specs of the GoPro Hero 11. As far as what I'm seeing right now, I think the Action 3 from DJI might actually be a bit more complete. Also, the Action 3 is going to be able to go up to depths of 16 meters. It's probably going to be having longer battery life. So guys, we still don't have the exact spec sheet for the Action 3, the complete spec sheet, but hopefully we'll have it in the next few hours, so stay tuned for that video. But that is what we have so far, guys. GoPro Hero 11 Black, GoPro Hero 11 Mini, and also the Action 3 will be releasing tomorrow. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.